They built what? You are not going to believe what we're going to deliver in today's video and what China is going to deliver. This is truly remarkable. This is one of the most amazing rail links you will ever see. And yes, they did it. They pulled it off and spent billions of dollars doing it. That's right, they put a high-speed rail link through the Three Gorge area, which can handle trains going at speeds of 350 kilometers an hour. That's right, blasting through mountain ranges, you name it. We're about to show it to you right now. This is a mega city of over 30 million people. Go down in history as one of the most amazing rail lines on Earth. I give you the Zhengzhou-Chongqing high-speed railway. Let me explain why this miracle infrastructure was designed. I'm going to start by telling you a little story of how we got to this part in history. I'm standing here in front of the Chongqing North Railway Station line. This is a green train. This is how people used to travel. I actually took this green train from this very station. Now, for all of you, it went really well, and it was an amazing expedition, an amazing time to travel. Now, these trains only do about 120 kilometers an hour. Just 15 years ago, this was the standard way of how to take a train here. But now, things have drastically changed. If you're not aware, but by the end of 2021, China had more than 40,000 kilometers of high-speed rail, HSR we call it. Now they have the longest HSR network in the world. So, as China has proven in the past, it won't let the most complex terrain get in its way. It's moved mountains and built more bridges in some cities in your own country, just to improve the speed of these rail lines. Can you imagine traveling through the Gorge mountain range at a record speed of 350 kilometers an hour? Well, we're going to show that to you today. The Zhengzhou-Chongqing high-speed railway starts in Zhengzhou City in the Henan Province. It connects existing Chongqing-Wanzhou Railway and ends at Chongqing City. The total length is over 1,060 kilometers. It's an essential part of China's 8 vertical and 8 horizontal high-speed railway network. So in the past, it took about 20 hours to travel from Chongqing to Beijing by ordinary train. And by high-speed rail, it took about 10 hours. Now with the new line between Zhengzhou and Wanzhou, it's been reduced to just 7 hours. The saved time is derived from a new line that is totally different from the past. The newly built section of this railway in Chongqing goes through Wushan County, Fengji County, Yuan County, and Wanzhou District, namely the Three Gorges Reservoir area. Now, the topography of the Three Gorges Reservoir area is complex and changeable, as well as in engineering geological conditions. This makes it extremely difficult. The construction of this line is full of challenges. Cities in the Three Gorges Reservoir area thrive on water and abundance of precipitation, which has created a series of large rivers. The first challenge of the high-speed rail is to cross them with several types of designs. The Chongqing section of the Zhengzhou-Wanzhou high-speed railway has 32 bridges with a total length of 10 kilometers.
郑渝高铁就是重庆境内一共有32座桥梁，整个桥长是10.8公里，其中这个设计施工难度比较高的有4座，分别是这个奉节梅溪河特大桥、巫山大令河大桥、汤溪河大桥，还有彭溪河大桥。梅溪河这个大桥全长是688.3米，主画采用了是340米的钢筋混凝土拱，最大的墩高是74米。现在是目前中国时速350公里高速铁路这个无载轨道桥梁里面最大跨度的。 它是2017年4月开工，然后2021年3月完工，整个这个施工工期是47.5个月。
To reach the mountain cities, the high-speed railway needs to pass through Wushan, Qiwushan, and other huge mountains. So 27.5 tunnels with a total length of 169.7 kilometers have been dug, accounting for 92.3% of the railway, which is named the high-speed railway subway style.
新修的这一段的这个隧道的总长呢是169.78公里，27.5座隧道，隧道占比呢是在92.31%。一级风险隧道呢就是那个小三峡隧道。主要的问题呢还是盐融水的问题。这个主要进口段它是穿祁元山背溪，它的这个盐融水是特别发育的，极端天气下最大用水量呢450万方每天。
The proportion of bridges and tunnels in Chongqing section of the Zhengzhou-Wanzhou high-speed rail line is 98%, currently the highest in China. However, in addition to the bridges and tunnels, they also face another challenge, which is the ecological and environmental protection.
郑渝高铁呢，它沿线这个因为临近长江，所以它这个环境敏感区还挺多的，大概有30余处，主要包括自然保护区、风景名胜区、地质公园、饮用水水源保护区等。全线绕避了20余处的敏感区，最后我们穿越的敏感区只有几处。我们通过优化施工设计，比如说巫山、大凌河双线大桥设计的时候，我们没有设置水中墩。
A big thanks to all the engineers that made this railway line possible. Wow, and imagine the effort that was put into this. It's really changed the lives of a lot of people in this region. It's made trains faster, it made logistical lines faster, and it's also saved time and money for people moving forward. The opening of the high-speed railway will also profoundly impact the regional economy and the industrial adjustment in Chongqing, a mountain city located at the node of the Yangtze River Economic Belt and the Belt and Road Initiative. It's departure time. Let's hit the rails.